In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a schedule in ClickUp, Full Guide 2026. If you want to organize your workload clearly and make sure your tasks are planned across the right days and times, ClickUp gives you a simple way to do that. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to assign dates to tasks, add times when needed, and then view everything in a scheduling layout so you can make adjustments easily. To begin, open ClickUp and go to the list that contains your tasks. This is important because scheduling usually starts at the task level, and your list is where you'll typically see the group of tasks you want to plan out. Once you're in the correct list, look through your tasks and choose the one you want to schedule first. Click on that task to open it. Inside the task window, find the Dates section. This is where you define when the task starts and when it needs to be finished. First, select a start date. The start date helps you map out when work on that task should begin, which is especially useful if you're planning multiple tasks across a week or a project timeline. Next, select a due date for when the task should be completed. The due date gives the task a clear deadline and helps keep your schedule realistic and visible. If the task needs more precision, you can also add a start time and a due time. This is helpful for meetings, time-sensitive deliverables, or any work that needs to happen during a specific part of the day, rather than just on a specific date. After that, repeat the same process for the other tasks you want to schedule. Open each task, click into Dates, set the start date, set the due date, and add times if necessary. As you go, try to keep your schedule balanced so tasks are spread out in a way that matches your actual availability. Once your tasks are scheduled, open the calendar, timeline, or Gantt view to see everything visually. These views make it much easier to understand how your tasks are laid out over time. If something doesn't look right or you need to move work around, you can simply drag tasks to different dates to adjust the schedule. That makes it easy to respond to changing priorities without having to recreate your plan from scratch. And that's how to create a schedule in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.